Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about House Pro tutorial for interior design projects. House Pro is a comprehensive platform designed to assist interior designers in managing projects, collaborating with clients, and streamlining business operations. To get started, go to housepro.com and then create an account. Now, set up your profile. After that, initiate a new project. Navigate to the project section and click on New Project. Input the name of the project, client details, and relevant information. Organize your project details. Within each project, you can manage timelines, budgets, and tasks, ensuring all aspects as well coordinated. Next, access the floor planner. Select the project you're working on and open the 3D Floor Planner tool. Design the space and then visualize in 3D. Next, on collaborating with clients, you can create and share mood boards to convey design concepts and gather client feedback effectively. On the client dashboard, it provides clients with access to their personalized dashboard where they can view project progress timelines and communicate directly with you. Now on managing finances, you can estimates and proposals. You can generate professional estimates and proposals, incorporating product images and detailed descriptions. Clients can review and approve these documents online, streamlining the approval process. On invoicing and payments, issue invoices and track payments within the platform, maintaining organized financial records for each project. Now on learning resources, explore a library of tutorial videos covering various features and tools available on House Pro. These resources are invaluable for mastering the platform's capabilities. Lastly, Interior Design Startup Guide. For a comprehensive understanding, refer to the Interior Design Startup Guide, which offers insight and tips from experienced designers. And that's basically it.